Anybody else got the feeling like they're gonna be viciously murdered? Come on, jerk face! Do you like that? Look at that guy, walking around like it's his ring! Face me! I'll show you how a real fighter does fights! Don't be scared, Spartan! Gonna kill ya like them other Spartans! Spartan in my sights! I'm gonna shoot your most vital organs! This... You cheated! You're nothing but a cheater! You and me, human! I'm ready! Here comes the pain! I got your number! That's the human's vehicle! Grenading! I know exactly how to blow that thing up! Do you like that? That's a bad guy vehicle! Hey, Spartan, I got something for you! It's defeat! I'm sick of you pushing us around! Shoot the pilot part! We're gonna make it hurt, human! I'm gonna knock you right off this ring! Scared to fight on foot? Cheating coward! Can't let him drive around us all day! Get out of there, jerk! Humans out for a drive! You afraid? You'd better be! Please come out and die! You've been asking for that one! Come on, Spartan! I'll give you a free shot after I kill ya! There you go! Spartan slayed! You and me, human, hand to hand, gladiator style. Let's do it! What's the matter? Mad about all those dead humans? I'll myrtleize you in just a sec! Another victory! I'm getting tired of these. Grenade time! He's here? Throw in plasma! Watch out for that guy in the thing! Now come back here, human! Oh no! He keeps moving! I'm getting mad! Glory to the banished! Death to you! Get in there and fight! Oh, I'll find you. Just you wait. I'll get him out of there! Watch this! Quit moving! Forget the banished! You're fighting a grunt!
I need to find him. It's all up to me.
Humans are only still alive because they're dirty cheaters.
Lots of heroes fight, but I'm a hero of hiding and going to sleep.
Can't nobody beat the grunts in a fair fight. I thought we were all out of humans to kill, and then more showed up.
You know, I like talking more than shooting, and I love shooting.
Say, why don't the brutes have to wear exploding backpacks, huh? I got 2 words for you. Grunt Union.
I only fight the hardest because I want to die the least. Most important part of patrols is finding good runaway spots.
I got big dreams. Step 1, kill humans. Step 2, take over for Escharum as war chief.
It ain't easy being the strongest, best fighter on the ring, but I manage.
I'm not gonna take all the credit for winning this war, but I will take most of it.
Oh, I hate you all so much. Is everybody alertly watching for humans? That's a real big part of my day.
We grunts are the strongest because of our numbers and other strategies.
Let's all go have a good fight today, okay, fellow fighters?
If I keep this up, I'm getting into the Spartan killers for sure.
You know, I feel like we're real close to killing the humans once and forever.
If these brutes had half my bravery, I'd tell them to give it back.
I feel like I spent most of my life keeping places safe from humans.
Grunt's gotta put up with a lot. Might be time to put something down. I will shape the future of the banished, 1 bullet at a time. I've done a lot of orders today. Too many orders.
I'm making Bip-Bap proud today. Yes, sir. Don't mind me. Just coming to grips with my mortality.
It's like I learned when I was little. Shoot a human in the head, make him really, really dead. This ring ain't so bad. I killed humans in worse places.
I don't think Master Chief is real. He's a story they made up to scare brutes. Stupid brutes. You know what? I don't miss the Covenant even a little bit.
Sure getting bored of winning all the time.
If I don't get to kill a human today, I'm gonna be real disappointed.
Another day of quaking in my boots and screaming at my own shadow. Being this brave all the time is exhausting.
I am so good at guarding. Look at how guarded this place is.
Hey, I see you, human! Sometimes you gotta say that, in case one's sneaking up.
Someone should tell those elites they got too many dang apostrophes in their names.
The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. You know who said that? Me. Just now.
I heard that some brutes eat grunts, but not these brutes. Right?
All I want is to see a human and kill him. Is that so much?
At quiet times like these, I think maybe I could sneak away again.
All these brutes and elites bossing me around. Nothing ever changes. I've got fight techniques and secret abilities I ain't even invented yet.
I should have called in sick this morning.
Who wants to hear the longest burp in the Banished, huh? Wait. Wait. Oh no! Oh no, it's stuck!